verified that the filter's clean, blower motor is running. We do have a call for cooling. The outdoor unit is not running. The fan is not spinning. So I'm going to verify that the disconnect is in and in the on position. It is in, it is on. I pulled the cover off so you can see better. So I can put this back. Now I'm going to pull it out. That's what disconnect looks like. And go into the electrical. Alright, so we're going to open up the electrical panel. This should be done by a trained professional. There is 240 volts going to the unit. Here you have your contactor, capacitor, low voltage, high voltage going in the bottom. Contacts have to close to send high voltage out the top, which is what powers your fan, capacitor, compressor. Got the electrical panel open. When you put the disconnect back in, make sure that it seats firmly and verify voltage to the bottom of the contactor. Okay, we have the proper high voltage at the bottom. The contactor is not pulled in, so we do not have it at the top. So now you would check your low voltage. Alright, we've got the electrical cover open. Disconnect is back in. We see that the contactor is not pulled in, which tells us we are not getting the 24 volts to pull it in, or the contactor is bad. This is your condenser fan motor. It spins freely, so bearings feel good. Here's your compressor. It's cool to the touch. If a unit is low on charge or compressor is getting weak, that can become very hot. It has an internal overload that can trip, causing it not to run.
So the next thing we're going to check is...
I see no signs of oil that the unit's been leaking.